Hello guys, it's Sam here. We're investing with Sam. Today I'm going to be talking about Canoo, going to be talking about an update from my last video, what I've done with my actual shares. I did sell some shares, but yesterday after the investor event, I did buy some more shares. So I'll let you know a bit about what's been going on over the last month, what's been going on with my shares, and then I'll tell you a bit about yesterday, which obviously we had the Canoo event, the investors event, and I'll talk a bit about that. But first of all, just want to talk about what's been going on over the last month. So as you can see here, guys, over the last month we've been up 30%, and I did say in my last video, if we did go up, I would be selling some shares. Obviously, reason being, I was pretty, I did have a lot of shares in Canoo, and my portfolio wasn't really diverse. And obviously, since then, I have added two stocks into my portfolio. One being Blink Charging and EV Go. I've done a video today, in fact, just talking about that, my plan for that. But other than that, guys, that's the reason why I did sell some shares. Obviously, we did have a small short squeeze attack. And I did make some profit. I didn't sell a lot of shares, maybe I think about 100 shares, 150 shares. But funny enough, yesterday, my conviction on Canoo just grew even more, and there was some good news and some bad news from the whole event yesterday. It was pretty 50-50. Like I said, my conviction has grown, hence why I bought more shares, because I felt like yesterday, you can see here, we went down 2%, nearly 3%, and I just thought, you know what, I can understand why it's gone down, because we did get told that the whole production, well, the car should be on the roads for Q4 2022, which is a bit of a delay, really, because I was hearing that possibly Q1, Q2 of 2022, that's when everything should be done, and they should be having the lifestyle vehicle and the van on the road, but it looks like that's being delayed. So it is a bit of a delay. It just makes the whole process much longer, especially for investors, because we want things to happen sharpish and quick. But end of the day, guys, it is long-term investing. That's what I do. So it's the process. Obviously, I'm learning as we go. This has been my first year in investing. So I've done 1 year investing now. Got a lot more learning to go through. And obviously, this is just the process. Um, so yeah, so obviously now going to be talking about the event. So, like I said, my conviction grew, but I was a bit upset with the whole process of the cars being released in Q4 2022. There was some big news though. So, if I just read you out here, so Canoo confirmed its manufacturing partner is Netherlands-based VDL Nedcar, which is scheduled to start building this lifestyle vehicle beginning next year in Europe. The company is also expected to help with its US plant, Canoo said. I'll also read this bit out and then I'll just give you a bit of my thoughts on this. Canoo said Nedcar's facility in Europe is slated to build up to 1,000 vehicles for both the US and the European market in 2022, with a target of 15,000 units, which I think is good news. Obviously, hearing that it will be available in the European markets in 2022, that's great news, especially myself being in Europe. You know what I mean? It's great. It's expanding Canoo's brand, which obviously is great. 15 units in 2023, according to the company. Canoo expects to launch its lifestyle vehicle in the fourth quarter of 2022, which is obviously what I said, guys, followed by its multi-purpose delivery vehicle and pickup truck. So yeah, obviously, my thoughts on this, guys, I'm gonna be real with you. I was a bit confused on why they done this, but then I thought to myself, the only reason why they could have done it and they would have done it is obviously because there's a good reason for them to do it. They won't just do it for the need of doing it. There's obviously a reason. Maybe they don't think they can get their production up to the numbers that they're expecting, or maybe it's a cost thing where they save money. I heard someone say the reason why they could be doing it is because of the EV tax. I really don't know, but it's the decision they've gone with, and you just have to follow it and just go ahead with it. Um, so yeah, that's something that we got told yesterday on the investor thing. And then there was another product that they showed us, which was basically a lifestyle vehicle delivery car. Um, it wasn't a van; it was an actual car, and they showed us that. That's another product. And obviously, my conviction just grew on Canoo over the investor event. I just saw the team, and I saw obviously the branding, the marketing, and my conviction just grew. I won't lie to you guys. So I did buy more shares. I do own 2,000 shares right now. It was a bit of a rash decision, but like I said, I'm in it for the long term. Um, Obviously, we have got a bit of a long journey from now to 2022 Q4, which obviously it could go down from here. But like I said, I'm a long-term investor. I definitely think it will be more than what the market cap is now. So I can definitely see growth within now till when production starts, and obviously the cars and the vehicles. So I definitely do see myself in a good position at that time. I definitely do see growth in the stock. Obviously, it's not financial advice. And Canoo also said that they have enough money to obviously get them through from now till production, which is great news. Um, so literally from now till then, I'll just be watching the stock. If we go up, obviously, I'll sell some shares. That's what I do. Um, Obviously, I definitely want to have enough shares for when the car is released, because I definitely see some value picking up from there. But I think the only downside from this is that obviously it is a long time until the production actually starts and we actually see a lifestyle vehicle on the road. So yeah, hence that's the reason why I bought it, because obviously it's a negative reaction, and the negative reactions, that's when I normally buy. Um, because you're getting it for a cheaper price. But yeah, guys, that was just a little update on what's been going on with Canoo, my shares and stuff like that. Let me know your thoughts on the actual uh, on Canoo and the brand itself. If you watched the event yesterday, you can watch it on YouTube. I'll leave the link in my description if you want to go watch it. It's about a 2 hour event, maybe 3 hours. Um, it is pretty long, but there's some snippets you might want to watch. Um, and yeah, other than that, guys, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and yeah, peace.